Assalamu Alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Are we performing our prayers correctly? Sometimes we unknowingly make mistakes that affect the beauty and etiquette of prayer. In today's video, we will talk about 7 common mistakes in prayer. 1. Rushing into prayer. Many people perform Ruku and Sajda very quickly. Prayer should be performed with peace and tranquility. 2. Not completing Ruku and Sajda. Ruku and Sajda are important parts of prayer. They should be performed with complete peace and tranquility. 3. Lack of humility and submission. During prayer, the heart and mind should be directed towards Allah Almighty, not towards worldly thoughts. 4. Looking around. Repeatedly looking to the right, left, or up during prayer affects attention. Try to keep your gaze on the place of prostration. 5. Being busy with your mobile or other things. Turn your mobile phone silent before prayer so that it does not disturb your prayer. 6. Not making the rows straight in congregation. If you are praying in congregation, keep the rows straight and do not leave a gap in between. 7. Reciting the Quran or reciting the Azkar incorrectly. Try to recite the prayers and surahs that you have memorized with the correct pronunciation, and if necessary, learn from a qualified teacher. Conclusion. I pray to Allah Almighty to grant us all the ability to pray correctly and accept our worship. Amen. If this video was useful to you, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.